Alright, welcome back for another one. This one is a really quick one. We're going to be doing a really small install here. This is the F150LEDs.com. I'm not associated with them in any way, but saw their product, thought it was pretty cool. So I got the Raptor specific LEDs here. And you can see I already got all the tools out. They give you a little screwdriver, a little flathead. I found a little bit bigger one. Works a little bigger, sorry, a little bit bigger flathead. And then you have this tool. I'm going to show you in a second what this does. This is to help rotate and aim them. But these are the puddle lights, or at least they replace the puddle lights on the mirrors here. So I've actually already done the driver's side. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. It's a really, really easy job. So here's the factory one, and they are side specific. So they only go on one side. So this one is the factory one from the driver's side over here. And then I have the replacement for the passenger side here. I've actually already aimed them, so I know that they're lined up properly to project, because if you don't aim them, you have to, it's not going to read right. It projects Raptor onto the ground right there. I'll show you, I'll insert a picture of what that looks like here. But you have these two little holes on the lens there, and that's where you insert this tool. And you can twist it to where you can aim it to where you like it. So let me show you how easy of a job this is to do. This isn't my usual go fast or maintenance kind of product, but I like to think it makes it go faster. It's like decals. So flathead screwdriver, you got a little notch in there to take that out. Should be able to gently pull this off, right like I say that, of course, like that. Takes a little bit to get it out of there, and it's out of there. See, she's got one little harness on there that just pulls off, or it should. Of course, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's not the easiest. Let's go, come on. There we go. Got that off of there. Two little prongs on there. And then on the new one, you have two individual wires that come off there. And it does not matter how those go on there. So you're just gonna plug these guys into those two holes. Again, doesn't matter which side goes where. And then we'll show you how to get these up in there. All right, got those two plugged up in there. Again, side specific. So you do have to put it up in there, or each one of these only goes on one side. So we'll put this up in there, feed it, and it's literally as easy as just popping it on there. And I say that, of course. Let's see, do I have it the right way? It goes this way. There we go. All right, yeah. The angle points towards the back of the truck, it looks like there. There we go. All up in there. All right, and again, I'll have a picture of what that looks like when it's on there. A quick little install on the truck. Doesn't change what the truck looks like, just projects a little Raptor on the ground right there next to the truck, which I think looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching. That was a quick and easy one. We'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, likes and subscribes are free. So if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome.